Isang minutong kwento starts now. AI at elections sa Indonesia. So next week elections sila, presidential elections February 14. Malaki daw ang naging part ng AI sa pangangampanya. Ngayon, isa na dito si General Prabowo Subianto, ang frontrunner sa kanilang presidential elections, na gumamit ng isang AI avatar na cute, ginamit ang Midjourney na naging hit sa mga Gen Z at millennials. Isa pa dito, may isa pang app na nag-generate ng speech using data from social media and news sites na meron na 700 clients. And the name of the founder of the app is interesting. It's Jose Rizal. And ang isa pa ditong concern, ang sabi ng Midjourney sa OpenAI, bawal daw gamitin sa political campaigning ang kanilang mga tools. Pero bakit nagagamit dito? So, yun yung importansya ng balita na to. It's us seeing how AI is now being deployed in elections. So I have 10 more seconds. So, may isa pa, deepfake ni Suharto, kumalat, nag-endorse ng candidates, pero hindi naman siya na-take down. Gumamit ng fake voice at fake videos, and my 1 minute is done.